southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Minor damage from wind-driven small hail is possible. Locations impacted include Brockton, Quincy, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, Stoughton, Bridgewater, Middleborough, Easton, Hingham, Kenton, Pembroke, Sharon, Rockland, Paddington, Duxbury, Whitman, Hanover, East Bridgewater, and Kingston. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. The storm may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. In north central Bristol counties through 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms over Kenton or over Norwood, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and penny-size hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Boston, Brockton, Quincy, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, Norwood, Milton, Stoughton, Bridgewater, Marshfield, Dedham, Walpole, Middleborough, Easton, Hingham, Kenton, Pembroke, Sharon, and Rockland. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. These storms may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Buzzards Bay, Block Island Sound, Rhode Island Sound, and Vineyard Sound, issued at 7:13 p.m. Tuesday, May 31st.
Whatever.
Small craft
Seriously.
increasing to 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet.
Can't be too surprised about the special work statements, but I better prepare myself just in case any severe thunderstorm warnings get issued. I better freaking prepare myself, because that's what they said.
Becoming southwest. Seas 3 to 4
Any
feet.
storms could
Sunday,
become severe at
variable
any
winds
moment.
less than 5 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday night, variable winds less than 10 knots.
Guess I'm just
becoming
gonna
east to
continue
southeast.
watching
Seas 3 to
Simply
4
and
feet.
stuff.
Here is the latest offshore marine forecast. Tonight, east southeastern Middlesex, west central Plymouth, and north central Bristol counties through 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Hudson or over Marlborough, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and penny-size hail. At 9:39 p.m., train spotters and amateur radio operators reported pea-sized hail in Leominster from the strong thunderstorm. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Boston, Brockton, Quincy, Newton, Framingham, Weymouth, Marlborough, Braintree, Shrewsbury, Natick, Randolph, Needham, Norwood, Wellesley, Milton, Stoughton, Bridgewater, Dedham, Walpole, and Mansfield. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. The storm may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts. Out 20 nautical miles, Nantucket Sound, Vineyard Sound. At 10:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms capable of producing winds to around 30 knots and small hail. These thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Plymouth to near Mattapoisett, moving southeast at 30 knots. Locations impacted include Hyannisport, Nantucket Sound, Great Point Light on Nantucket, West Island in Buzzards Bay, Barnstable Harbor, Nantucket Shoals Buoy, Woods Hole, Madacket Harbor, Rocky Point, Muskegart Channel, the west end of Cape Cod Canal, Cape Hoge Light, Monomoy Point, Edgertown Harbor, and Point Gammon. Expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, briefly rough seas, and lightning strikes. Consider heading for safe harbor until these storms pass. The strong thunderstorms will produce winds to around 30 knots and could pose a serious hazard for boaters. A special marine warning may be issued when these storms reach the nearshore waters. Boaters should consider heading for shore before these storms arrive. Here is the...
You guys, this is my new purse.